In part 1 we are going to find top 3 subscription plans. To identify top 3 plans in subscriptions tables, we need to select plan types. And get the sum of amount from subscriptions. Then group by plan type and order by total revenue descending. At the end we can limit to only 3 records. We found the order of top 3 subscription plans. In part 2 we want to calculate average revenue per user. For this purpose we can select round of sum of the amount, divided by count of distinct users and putting the number of decimals as 2. Average revenue per user is 141. In part 3 we want to know the users with more than 1 subscription. For this purpose we use having count. We select users and count asterisk. Then group by users. And finally having count asterisk bigger than 1. As you can see, user number 3 had 2 subscriptions and so on. In final part we are going to find inactive users. Joining to tables of activity and users will give us the opportunity to do that. In select clause we include users and maximum of activity date. Since we are aggregating, we need a group by as well. Finally, we use having clause to calculate 30 days inactivity. As you can see, user number 5 last activity was on 29 of August, more than 30 days inactive.